Hello, welcome back to my channel. I'm Emily, and today I'm just wanna update you guys of what I have been up to and what's going on in my life. So first of all, I actually just moved into a new apartment a week ago. That was very exciting. Now I have technically 2 roommates, actually just 1, but she has a puppy. His name is Teddy, and they both are really cute and very sweet. I really love that I get to like live with the dog and like see how he get used to me, and then how we can like talk to each other. Not like talk, but more of like communicating. Like he would tell me like, I want to get this treat, I want to go to the bathroom, I want to do certain things, and it's very interesting for me. So now I get to share much more of like my personal life, because the place that I used to live, it's a much smaller room, so lots of stuff is more crowded. Like everything is like packed to the point that I'm just like, oh my god, I really don't want to film. And then I also don't have a very giant window that has sunlight go through. So now I'm so happy. Right now I have a giant window right next to me, and it provides me a better lighting. So this is perfect. I love this sunlight. It just, I'm so grateful. Like this room, it's just perfect for me to film much more and do much more. Like now I have a big desk that I can like create my stuff, like in my artwork, and I can study there. I can also make a lot of stuff. What else have I been up to? I'm trying to graduate a year early, so now I'm taking a lot of credit, and I'm doing a lot of intern, and I'm involving different org, just so I have enough of experiences before I actually graduate and start looking for a job. Also, I have been working on my website. I don't know if you guys know, but I do love recently I do love creating artwork. Like I love drawing on iPad, and I love digital planning and stuff. So I'm launching more like a website or a store, but basically it's a place for me to share my art with you. It comes with different forms. Like sometimes I'll create art and I will make it as a sticker, or I will make it as an art print, or I'll make it as a planner and stuff like that, were all designed by me and drew by me. So there you go. You can decide to support me or not, but like it's just mainly for me to share. You don't even want to support me, but you can definitely check it out, and then I will link it down below. But so far it's not 100% perfect, but it's just what I have right now, and I just want to share with you all. And definitely I will try to have more fun videos rather than just updating routine, because I know that's what I've been doing, because my lifestyle just changes a lot throughout the whole year, because I've been traveling or adjusting a new place, adjusting the new schedule, adjusting new stuff. So it has been very stressful for me the whole entire year, but yeah, now it will be better, hopefully. Oh, I won't jinx it. So now this background will be mainly what you will see in the future, and I just want to update you guys. So I hope you can also tell me what you guys have been up to down below, and please also check out my website. And yeah, I hope you like, you know, the new room.
Good.
Bye.